Hello guys, welcome back to my channel vfxexpert. So guys, in this today's class we are going to see how to relink multiple missing media files inside Nuke just in one click. So let's start the class here. So now we are inside Nuke here, and just I open over this one project or script inside Nuke. So before starting further work, first we have to check about this project or script directory. So this is project directory or folders. So this is our Nuke script, and this is our folders or media footage folders here. So just you can see all these files here. So same project just I open inside Nuke, and these are actually media files here. I have also imported about this one video here. So simply just you can see this is actually video files here. Okay, so now suppose if you have moved this folder in different directory or in different folder, then what will happen? So simply just select this one. So Control X, cut, then move maybe in different folder or in any directory just you can move. So just move inside this folder here or inside this directory here. So now just again open Nuke. So now we are inside Nuke and just clear this one. So now just again just I am going to open our same project here. So again just click on open, then go to this H drive and just open this test folder. Again same this our project files or script file, just we have to select and just we have to click on open. So now here if you will see, this is showing all these missing files here or error here. So now how to relink all these media files here? So now first we have to open our project settings. Now press S. In project directory just we have to click on this script directory. So this will automatically just define this script here. So just you can see this one. Then select this one, first one, just only for explanations here. Then just simply you can double click. So now you will see this is our actually previous directory here, and this is our footage files or media files here. So now this directory is not exist, so that's why this is showing this missing files here. Simply this is our main directory, and this is our actually footage folder, and this is our media files inside this footage folder. Okay, so just now if we will clear this one, only leave this footage, remember this one here. Okay, leave this footage folder. So just clear this one here. So this will relink this media files here, but you have to repeat same process for all media files. So now how we can relink all these media files just in one click? So simply just we have to double click and just we have to copy this directory here. This is actually previous directory here, and this is our folder name, remember this one here. So just we have to copy only this directory. Now Control C, copy, then select all media files which you want to relink, then hold Control and Shift and just press question mark or backward slash here. So you will get this search and replace options here. So simply just you can paste this directory here, whichever actually previous directory. Now just delete this one. Now simply press OK. So now here you will see this will automatically relink all your missing media files here. Now just simply just you can check all these files here. So just you can view all these files. So this will automatically just relink all missing files here. Even just you can also place your image sequence folder inside this footage folder here. So just you can see this is actually image sequence folder. Remember this one here. So now next thing just I am going to see. Suppose if you have renamed maybe this folder, so maybe just rename this one maybe media files. So press F2 and just make it media files. Now again just come inside Nuke. Now just clear all these things and just open our this one. No. Now again same thing, this is showing error. So what we can do, so press S. Now just click on this script directory here. Now just double click on this missing media file. So now simply just we have to copy this one, Control C, copy. Now again select this one, then Control Shift and question mark or backslash. Now if you will paste this one, same thing, and delete this one. Now if you will press OK, so this will not work because you have renamed this folder. So previous folder is now not exist. So what we can do, so again simply just we can replace with this folder name. So how we can do all these things here? So again, just press Ctrl Z. So this is actually previous directory here. So again, same, just copy this one till this one, because just I am going to remove entire thing here now, because this folder is not exist now. Okay, so now just copy this entire thing, Ctrl C copy, then select all your missing files. Now again Ctrl Shift, then backward slash or question mark, so you will get this search and replace option. Now just paste it here. Now just we have to replace with new folder. So just copy this one, Ctrl C copy, and just paste, and just simply just you can give name, new folder name, whatever just you have rename your folder. So media files. Just again we have to check, just we have to check this folder name, which is media files. Okay, now this is good. Now just we have to press OK. So now just you can see this will automatically relink your all missing media files inside Nuke. So like this, just you can relink your all missing media file inside Nuke. Finally, again just we have to save our project, then click on file and just click on save comp here. So now after this, if you will again open this project here, so this will not show you here this missing files here. So guys, if you like this video, please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel. So thanks for watching.